Ready to start a profitable faceless channel on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram? First, choose the right platform for your niche. YouTube is great for long-form content like tutorials and reviews, while TikTok and Instagram excel with short, engaging clips. Next, focus on content creation. Use screen recordings, animations, voiceovers, or stock footage to keep your identity private. Consistency is key. Post regularly to build your audience. For monetization, take advantage of each platform's unique opportunities. YouTube offers ad revenue, channel memberships, and super chats. TikTok has the Creator Fund and brand partnerships, while Instagram supports sponsored posts and affiliate marketing. Automation tools can streamline your workflow. Tools like Hootsuite or Buffer help schedule posts, while Canva and Adobe Spark simplify graphic design. Use vidIQ or TubeBuddy for YouTube SEO insights. Finally, engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages to build a loyal following. Start today and watch your faceless channel grow into a profitable venture. Remember, consistency and engagement are key to success in the world of faceless content creation.